2022 Not charging. How to disassembly repair Nokia 500. Phone is not power on. The phone cannot be turned on because the charging function fails and the battery has no power. There are various reasons why the mobile phone cannot be turned on. Press and hold the upper end of the battery pack back cover and pull down. The back cover is too tight. A stick is required to remove the back cover. We published some reasons in multiple videos in the future to discuss with you. There are many reasons for the failure of the charging function, which will be published them in a new video in the future to share with you. Nokia 500 was released 2011 August. Mini SIM support GSM, GPRS, Edge, HSDPA. How to unscrew the T4 size screws, a total of 4 pieces. Gently pry open the back housing with a cover opening rod. Be careful not to use too much force. Insert too deep and damage the internal components. CPU 1.0 GHz ARM 11. Removable lithium-ion 1110 mAh battery. BL4U. The phone cannot be powered on, cannot be charged, and needs to be turned on to detect. Gently pry open from the bottom of the motherboard and take out the motherboard. There is a connector for board to display flex cable in area A of the motherboard. Be careful not to break the flex cable. No physical damage, liquid damage, or burn component on main board found. Now the repair procedure starts with cleaning the USB interface. Alcohol cleaner. Use a screwdriver to physically clean again after drying. First, check the charging interface USB, whether there's damage or pollution. If not, customers complain about the phone not charging properly. There are many reasons for the failure of charging. If it is a software problem, remove the battery for 20 seconds, then reinstall it, and the problem will be solved. Remove the battery after 20 seconds, put the battery back in. The phone still doesn't work. Fortunately, this phone is not. Please refer to the charging electronic circuit diagram. Please check if the charging circuit is faulty, if it is burned out, or if there's any liquid. If it is normal, then check the charging control circuit or the CPU logic IC. Software and hardware. As a rule of thumb, this rarely happens. If it is a hardware problem, use a hot air gun to resolder and replace the power manager or CPU IC chip. Reinstall the motherboard. You can test charging before replacing the back cover. Be careful not to short circuit. Good luck. Try charging successfully. Fix the charging problem. The phone is powered on normally. Tighten the screws. Replace the battery, then replace the battery cover. Done.